Greetings everyone. I'm happy to meet you again on another video. This is again the universe research topic, and in it we are looking at life as a separate subject, and within it we saw universe life recently, and now we are looking at earth, universe and life as a tri-unified concept where we are using these three concepts to explain a fundamental concept inside the research. And it's a very simplified article, and it connects serially with the previous articles in our own life research. And in our previous research we saw that research article we saw that the importance of universe life and the format in which it exists and the nature of it, right? And how it varies, as its existence on Earth and on another planet. And the same concept is used over here, and here we are the correlation between Earth, universe and life and the nature of its existence, and that's what we are going to explore here. So Earth would be one of the most primary subject here, and if you see in the research article, it's mentioned that Earth is a role model planet for this entire universe. The meaning is that Earth is a format of how life exists and how life can exist in this entire universe, right? For that, Earth by itself is the right example. And if you explore every intricacies within the nature of life on Earth and the nature of Earth itself and its existence, if explored deep enough, it correlates with every planet in the universe in some way or the other. It serves as a very keen reference point, and it serves as a very good reference point for its a very neighboring planet, the moon. And that we see in the next upcoming article, which is also very interesting. And both these articles has a very stark unified nature and a very stark in the way of expressing itself. The next article completely varies from what you're seeing here. And here in this article, right, so when we say it's a model planet, that concept is very important in our research model, and it is not an easy subject to be explored in detail. And it goes into some of the core and fundamental formats of how nature exists on Earth, and that is the whole motto of this article as well. If you read further, you'd start understanding. I'm going to go into the universe life law, and that is like separated into two formats, in which the operational nature format, in which that functions in the nature, and the operational nature that functions by operating the nature. So the thing is, like, this is a very deep concept in terms of the universe research subject, and it is a kind of relief giving word as well, where we see both perspectives are intertwined with each other, that it would revolve and rotate in a way that it would it's a continuous process. So it's not like one happens at a moment and the other stops. It's not like that. Both happens at the same moment in a very rotational way, and that is reassuring, because when we are trying to explore this concept of science, that right, our perspective would like immediately see, since the nature of both perspectives are pretty like deep and vast in its own sense, it's very easy to like get lost in one particular sense, and that we would centralize that into our perspective and completely forget that there's another perspective, and there would be that linking element while you are in this singular perspective. And these connective nature is a bit reassuring when going into this whole experience of like, reading through this research work, or like working with this research work. And so when they say that the operational nature that functions in the nature, it's like if you see the Earth's nature, right, the universe nature forms to be the fundamental of it, right? And on top of that, we have the entire natural structure that is formed, and our experience is through this nature. Like, say if it's a forest, or if it's an an experience, like anything is through this nature, and we get to experience the fundamental element of it. And this downward, right, like we go through like experiencing the raw universe nature through this existence, right, the existence of this nature, the operational nature that functions in the nature. So this operational nature is on top, like so it's happening on top of this existing nature. And this perspective, right, this perspective is it helps us keep good clarity in like connecting ourselves with the universe nature, like what's there on the other side. And that's where even this perspective where it said that like how the earth has formed to be in such a nature that the 4 elements of the 5 fundamental elements of nature, except space, we see the earth, air, water and heat are intertwined with the 6 tastes, and that's how it is exhibited in the format of like the rightful taste, where the 6 tastes are separate and there is a mixed state. And that's how it exists through each nature on the planet, that is through the plants and through the animal life that is on this planet. The living being life on this planet. And this is one perspective. The other perspective, where when we say operational that nature that functions by operating the nature, is if we are to live on those planet, right, we need to correct all the natural structure that exists over there to accommodate the life that is going to exist on it. So you're going to like tweak the natural structure itself. So if we are to tweak the natural structure, you need to go by its rule. So how would you know this is the exact rule by which these natural elements function? And that is where Earth serves as a very good example, where like multiple complex layers are formed on top of these existence. And one way we could use is somewhere we are looking at like how a simple way is like you could say like the spicy taste is correlated with heat. We say hot, right? And that is one way of connecting with the universal nature, like you experience heat there and the nature of heat, and the same experience can be normalized to the entire life experience of yours. This perspective, right, this perspective of like this is one way of working towards it. And when you go towards that perspective, you get to know what universe nature truly is. And if you are to understand this perspective, the other perspective becomes very clear, like how the operational nature can be used in like that can like function by operating the nature. And there you'll start correcting, and you'll see the tweaks. But for it to like even get itself corrected, if you are not following all these rules and laws that are put forth over here, it will never go through any sort of like even a single bit of movement in its nature. And that is That is the beauty of it, and that's the reality of it. And so the acknowledgement and existence of these two formats is very important in understanding the core nature of how the universe life exists and life exists. That will help us further, progress in both these fields and create like better, research work and humanitarian work out of it, where we would like forward our place on this earth. And that is exactly why the beauty of this article, in the end, like correlates that the second format, where we say the operational nature that functions by operating the nature, is called the second age of human intellect, and the first age of human intellect is our experience, that is on our earth. And the conclusion of the article says that there are still further life intricacies on our planet that are yet to be explored, which could serve as a huge reference point and guidance point to the life that is to be created on the planet that we are about to create living condition on. That in our case is our moon. And this just shows the depth that the universe life has, and the core fundamental nature of this whole element. And whatever I'm talking right now and whatever has been said in these previous videos and articles correlate with each other and forms a meaningful flow if you were following all these videos. So one simple and the most easiest takeaway from this video would be the simplest form, that your way of connecting with the universe nature is one simplest format is through taste. The taste and the nature in which each taste exists, and how each tastes like intertwine with each other to create different living conditions for yourself. And these living conditions that is created out of this raw nature could influence your life on earth or another planet. This experience would is the simplest way of grasping what universe life is all about, and how the core existence is, and how mixing the two tastes leads towards unfavorable life conditions, from which so many corrections are required, which again like explores on a deeper sense where the connection between life and the universe life truly lies, and that elevates our knowledge towards our second intellect, that is to create a living condition on another planet. It's a very positive and life-changing way of a perspective to have for any people who are in the field of research and in the field of like making life better for humanity. And I hope to connect with you on another video. Please share your thoughts, questions or queries of any sort in the video, which would help us connect even further. And I hope to connect with you on another video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.